For the rest of today, we're going to keep those cold, strong easterly winds, and then they'll tend to ease off. But we could have a bit of a problem for travelling overnight and again tomorrow. The reason is patchy rain, even some sleet and snow coming across parts of southern England and South Wales overnight and then moving north over the rest of England and Wales during tomorrow. Now, as it's going to fall on cold or even frozen ground, we could see quite slippery and icy conditions out on those roads. So you'll need to keep posted for the early morning rush hour. It's all coming out of this area of low pressure, which is grinding its way very slowly northwards against that cold Scandinavian high. It starts to move northwards over eastern parts of the country as we go through the next couple of days. The isobars open out, hence those lighter winds. The wind's still very strong from the east today, very cold and icy. We start to see them decrease and become lighter as we go through Friday and Saturday, but nevertheless it's still going to be cold for the middle part of December. Bitingly cold today everywhere, temperatures a few degrees above freezing at best in some places, but locally 6 or 7 in the southwest. But when you take into effect that very strong raw east wind, it's going to feel more like -3 to -7 degrees, so you will need to wrap up warm if you're out in that wind. But it's not too bad if you're out in the bright winter sunshine of Manchester, but in the cloudier conditions of Cardiff, it will feel quite miserable. And we can see that cloud across southern England into South Wales. We'll see the rain coming into the southwest with a little bit of sleetiness and snow over the higher ground. And that process will continue as we go through the night. But further north, where we see drier and clearer skies, we'll have another hard penetrating frost with temperatures down to -1 or -2 degrees. But in the morning, we'll see that thicker cloud in the south, little bits of rain, sleetiness and snow falling on that cold ground, so we will see some tricky driving conditions. Further north, we'll see some brighter cold weather in northern England, Northern Ireland and western Scotland. But we'll continue to see that thicker cloud with the rain, sleet and snow moving further north into northern England in the afternoon. And by the end of the day, we'll see some brighter, milder air coming into the southwest, temperatures up to around 7 degrees. But still pretty cloudy with some wintry showers in northeastern parts of Scotland. And then tomorrow, a lot of cloud in eastern and southern areas with some rain. Bright and cold, though, out towards the northwest. And as we go through the weekend, it's going to become less windy and a little bit less cold. Now back